Alrighty guys, we got a 94 Roadmaster here. We got a problem with the tailgate. This has a dual tailgate. This one opens it and swings it out. This handle here opens it like a tailgate on a pickup. As you can see, it's loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this trim panel off, get inside and take a look at it. I think what happened is there's a rod here, that rod, and it disconnected inside somewhere, and that's the one that when you pull it, it moves the hinge back there so it drops like a tailgate. So what we're going to do is we took the screws out already. I'll show you those. They're along the top here. There's 6 of them on the top. There's one there, and on the opposite side, and one there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off, get into the panel, take a look what we have inside and see if we can fix that. Alright, so here's the panel off, and as we suspected, the rod is simply disconnected. Now you can see in here, there's this piece, and that should be in there. And then that pulls that up, connects to the rod, and allows you to drop the tailgate. So we just need to get some type of retainer. I don't know if you can, the camera will show us. You can see. There you go, it's a little better. Some type of retainer to hold that on, and the tailgate will be all fixed. And here's just a picture of the inside. Here's that rod that I was talking about. So this goes all the way across here, up into that top piece there. Now another thing, when you take this off, you're going to have these body pins. I pulled it off, I didn't have the tool. You can see them here, and those will, well, I'll take those off and then I will reattach those. As you can see on here, we'll reattach that to the plastic cover here. One other thing to note, you will have to take these 2 handles off so the plastic cover clears. It's pretty easy, there's just 2 screws on them there. So anyways, we'll go ahead and reconnect that, and our tailgate should be fixed. One other thing to note on these Buicks, when I first got it, the third eye didn't work, third tail light I should say, and here's an easy fix. See that corrosion there? Those are your contacts there. So we're going to clean that with some sandpaper, and then it attaches on the outside here. And that sort of makes a connection. So the corrosion causes the light not to function, and there you go, there's your third light. So we'll put it back together, fix that, and the tailgate should work and good to go.